Southern Illinois University's Aquaculture Research Lab and Illinois Indiana Sea Grant presents the Larval Yellow Perch Culture Video Guide. Module 9, Cleaning and Maintaining Larval Rearing Tanks. Feeding larval fish is messy business. Flow rates are low, and larvae are typically provided with feed in excess to ensure larvae are able to find and consume feed. Cleaning will quickly become one of the most labor-intensive parts of larval rearing. At SIU's Aquaculture Research Lab, yellow perch larval rearing tanks are not cleaned until 2 to 3 days after the introduction of live food. When cleaning tanks, very gently and slowly scrape the sides of the tank with a squeegee. With a narrow siphon, very slowly remove waste from the bottom of the tank. Great care should be taken not to siphon out any larvae. Rinse nozzles to unclog them and outlet screens daily. Tanks are cleaned daily. During intensive feeding periods, such as dry feed introduction, tanks are cleaned twice per day, morning and evening. Salt is added to maintain salinity of approximately 1.5 to 2 part per thousand until larvae are completely transitioned from live food to dry formulated diet. Clay is added to the system water to keep the water turbidity at a level of 15 NTU through day post-hatch 40. The flow rate in larval rearing tanks is gradually increased as larvae grow. There should be a current that induces swimming action but is not too strenuous on the larvae. Check spray nozzles daily to make sure that they are operating properly. Spray nozzles are kept on until larvae have passed day post-hatch 40. Spray nozzles are used to break the surface of the water and increase gas bladder inflation.